LG washing machine. How to replace the door hinge. Tools to use. The plastic scoop helps to avoid damaging the door, and the torque wrench helps to secure the bolts with the correct force. Disassemble the door hinge. Make sure that the power cord is unplugged prior to disassembly. Remove 2 bolts. To avoid scratches on the door, put it on a soft surface, cloth or towel. Lift up and remove the door. Remove 4 screws. Next, separate the inner and outer frame. Start by putting a flat screwdriver between the inner and outer frame. Then rotate it clockwise. Gently continue with the rest of the frame. Lift the inner frame and lay aside the outer frame with the door glass. Lay back the inner frame so that the hinge screws are accessible. Remove 4 screws. Remove the hinge cover plate and the hinge. Assemble the door hinge. Put the hinge in its original position and put on the hinge cover plate. Mount 4 screws. Lay down the outer door frame and determine the correct position of the inner frame. Make sure that the inner frame is mounted correctly. You should hear click sounds. Stop when the frames are attached on all sides. Mount 4 screws. Lift the door and hook in the hinge bracket. Hold the door while inserting the bolts by hand. Then tighten the bolts with a wrench. If available, you can use a torque wrench, set to the correct force range. To check if the door locks, plug in the power cord and start a program. The door lock symbol should be highlighted and no error should appear.